guys, hope everyone's having a great night, day, whenever you're watching this, but, it's day 2, Great Wolf Lodge trip. Just woke up, going to get some breakfast right now, so I will see you guys when I get down there. And not to mention, guys, we are on, the mic on yet, not to mention we are in a pretty long-ass hallway. So, and my brother and mom have already left their room. Sorry if I look tired, because I am. I literally just woke up. But yeah, we're rocking the Gucci slides right now. So that's dope. Yesterday's vlog will be uploading. I will be uploading this morning, so yeah. Alright guys, so we're getting on the elevator, getting down. I'm going just to level 3, the level right below us. It's in that level. Yeah, it is. I've been using the high resolution light. Tell me right now, elevator. Yeah. Alright guys, sorry I did get sidetracked. Because I did meet up with my mom down there and my little brother, but I will finish showing you guys around, so don't worry. So yeah. Alright guys, what's up? So I made it back downstairs. I want to show you guys around the arcade. Is it open? I guess I'll show you guys. Sorry for the noise in the advancement. Yeah, I am in the arcade. It's pretty cool in here. They got a freaking baseball thing. Yeah. Oh, I'm playing this. You got, your basketball, or your football throwing thing, basketball. You gotta do it right with the race cars, And they got some, ball dropping machines. It's crazy. It's like this grab and drop machine. And then you got this thing. Which you guys know me. I'm gonna throw the balls right into there. I don't know the point of this, but yeah, let's keep doing it. So I just got out of the arcade, and I just filmed this whole thing right before this one, but my stupid ass didn't turn the freaking mic on. Yeah, we got a pizza place right here. Got a little gift shop right here, but it's for the kids. I'm not gonna get into that. Yeah, I'll show you guys more down here. So, like I had said earlier, when I didn't have a mic on, we got a bowling alley. We got this like little arcade thing in here. Well, it's not really an arcade. It's like a thing where you like put on the goggles, like that, and you're like sitting in like it's like a 3D roller coaster thing. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna get out of here, show you guys the water park, because this is not my hallway. So yeah, when I get there, I will show you guys. Alright guys, here's the water park. I wanted to capture this now because the bucket's about to spill. There it goes. Yeah, that's the water park. Now I'm gonna walk up the steps later. It's right there, and I don't really feel like taking it all the way up. You know, this used to be like that magic store thing, but whatever. This is the gift shop right here, the main one. Not open, no. I don't think. But if it is, I am completely wrong. Oh god, I need to have that in low. I need to have it in bright light here. But whatever. Make sure I have the mic on. Yeah, I do. Okay, good. Because if I didn't have the mic on, oh, it's cold in this hallway. Because if I didn't have the mic on, you guys know, which I sometimes forget to do, turn it on, then, you know, I don't want to say this word, but shit happens. Then you have to retake what you were filming the whole time. And yeah, shit will happen. It's now, you know, I love, God, man. Yeah, shit does happen sometimes. So you guys gotta take advantage of it. And not to mention, we got these Gucci slides on today. So that's always something to notice what your shoes you're wearing on feet. The reason I held the camera like that down is because I didn't want to know if those people were I really need to turn up the brightness. Oh my god. Again, I don't know if they wanted to be in the vlog, but yeah, I'm gonna sit down right here. Just talk to you guys for a few minutes, like why I'm here. It's for my little brother's birthday party, and you guys probably know him, Seth. If you haven't already, please go subscribe to his YouTube channel. Link will be down below. I always support him, you guys know that. Sometimes at least. But yeah, another look at the water park. Right here. Sorry for the blurriness, my camera sucks. My camera focus sucks. I need to get it fixed. That's gonna be like another $200 to get it fixed, which sucks. But like, yeah. And I also want to show you guys what happened to my Gucci slides. They got this scratch right there. Again, shitty camera angle, but they got that scratch right there. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, that just means I'll have to buy a new pair. Sorry for the noises in the background. It's like the dragon thing. I'll show you guys when I head back to the room. But I do want to get bucket dumping one more time on video. It's pretty big. It holds 1,000 gallons of water. So that is pretty cool. Some of these clips will be in yesterday's vlog. I did have it a little bit edited. I did have the first part edited. I do have to edit the second part. That should be uploading soon. So, and like if you're like, I know some people want to start YouTube channels, but they don't want to take big cameras or just any camera in general, be talking to it out in public. But, you know, you gotta be brave. If you don't think people will like that, then don't do it. I mean, you just gotta stick to yourself. Just zone in on you. Don't pay attention to what other people are thinking. Like, oh, that kid's walking around with the cameras for a school project. Maybe, probably, I don't know. But half the time that's probably going to be the case, except for in this situation, obviously. But my arm's hurting. Oh, there's like a little table right here. I can just set this up on. There's over there, but it's not the best angle of the water park. I think they're getting ready to open it. See, there's the lifeguards. Got them on the vlog. Yeah, the bucket's about to dump, the bell's ringing. The stupid autofocus. I do have the autofocus turned on, but for some reason it's not focusing, which is actually very stupid. And like I said, sorry for the noise in the background. It's like a dragon training thing, you can see right there. And then they have like Fortnite. No, I'm joking. It would be sweet if they had Fortnite. But there's the bucket, it's about to dump. There it goes. Now I'm gonna head back to the room, get changed, because I think it's almost time for the water park to open. And, what I meant by the dragon thing is this right here. So yeah, that's the dragon thing. I did those wand things when I was like a little kid, but stop now. It's like got them in the vlog, suckers. No, I'm joking. I'm not mean like that. Sometimes. No, I'm joking. But I'm getting ready to go to the water park, so obviously I can't film there because I didn't bring my GoPro, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. What's up, guys? We are back from the Great Wolf Lodge. There we go. All I can say is that trip was really fun. I hope to go back soon. If I do, let me know if you guys would want more videos there. But yeah, this is going in day 2, Great Wolf Lodge vlogs. But yeah, we are back home now, if you can't tell. Back in my room. So yeah, overall, it was a really fun trip. I mean, I had a great time, so did my family and my brother, especially him because we went for his birthday. My hair is kind of screwed up because I was in the water park. And look what we got to when we got home. So we just got home like maybe 30 minutes ago, and this is what we came home to. Snow. It's crazy. Now, I don't know if we'll be off from school tomorrow. If we are, there might be a vlog, so just stay tuned. But yeah, I mean, with all that being said, it's your boy Alex, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.